Hello and welcome back to Unity 5. Now I will show you how to easily set up some achievements manager. At first you need to import package from asset store. I will import it from my hard drive. Now select any scene in your project and create new scene handler. Select it and press open editor button. There is no config file for this project, so let's create new. In this window you can simply manage all your achievements and other settings. For example, you can add new achievements, manage it, and simply delete. Now let's test this system. Let's create new button, reset its position, and create new on-click event. Simply drag handler object and select get achievements by ID function. In this field you must enter ID of your achievement. You can get it from this field. Now let's test. It's working.